Are you looking for a home with plenty of space to host your holiday gatherings? Well, I have the perfect home for you, but not just for all those holiday gatherings, but for all of your hosting needs. I'm Lisa Mejri, and join me as I take you on a guided tour of my newest listing at 12223 Portsmouth Place in the city of Chino. Come on in. The open floor plan invites you and your guests to enjoy your living and dining room, which leads into the gorgeously upgraded kitchen, complete with elegant backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and under cabinet lighting. This home boasts hardwood flooring and a soft gray undertone with white accent trim for that farmhouse style look. Your future home comes complete with 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and a walk-in closet in the main bedroom. Both of the bathrooms are upgraded, and the main bathroom has a walk-in shower. Your future home is situated on a cul-de-sac and features a lot size of over 10,000 square feet. Don't worry about the tough task of upkeep though. This home has been landscaped with easy maintenance in mind. Enjoy your days cooking outside in your built-in barbecue under your oversized covered patio with ceiling fans to keep you cool. Once the sun goes down, you can continue your festivities under the lights and sitting by the fire pit. That concludes our tour today. If you have any interest in making this home your future home, give me a call at 909-583-7844. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk with you soon and have a blessed day. Bye!